Hello everybody! Today we're going to unbox and take a close-up look at the Nike Air Jordan 1 Low SE Craft. So let's first take a look around the outside of the box. So in this box is a pair of Nike Air Jordan 1 Low SE Craft shoes, and this pair is the men's UK size 8.5, US 9.5, Europe 43, Brazil 41, 27.5 cm, and this pair is in the wolf grey, smoke grey, lemon wash, wolf grey colourway, and its style is IR2014-012. Now let's go ahead and open up the box by lifting up the box lid, and let's peel back the wrapping or packing paper to reveal the Nike Air Jordan 1 Low SE Craft in the wolf grey, smoke grey, lemon wash, wolf grey colourway. Let's lift out the left shoe first and check out its details. So sending the box to the left hand side of the tabletop and giving you a look at this Nike Air Jordan 1 Low SE Craft. And let's do a 360 rotation before we take much closer in looks at its details. And now taking a much closer in look at its details. So you can see the overall light colour of the shoe with the smoke grey, wolf grey and lemon wash details. And of course with the upper consisting of various materials. So you can see at the tip there is a short nap suede front, and with the vamp at very smooth and fine leather with perforations in the toe box. And same with the side, matching fine grain leather. And then as we move towards the back, there is that suede part of the eye stay and overlay right there. And with the midsole, we can see has that very light wolf grey colouring as well, and it does have that matching coloured stitching as well, and of course contrasting slightly with that smoke grey outsole or sole of the shoe. So taking a look towards the top side, so once again we see the suede details across the various overlays of the shoe against that very smooth fine grain leather vamp, and of course the stitching details, and with that inlaid suede Nike swoosh. And taking a look directly from the back of the shoe, we can see there's some stitching details providing some artisanal qualities towards the top part and back of the shoe. And we can see of course the Air Jordan basketball and wings inlaid into the shoe, much the same with that Nike swoosh in suede, but this one is in leather, contrasting against the outer panel being suede. Now taking a look towards the inner part of the shoe, once again we see that inlaid suede Nike swoosh into that fine grain leather, and moving back towards the front, once again that fine grain leather and suede tip. Now taking a look directly from the front tip or toe of the shoe and slowly moving along its length to see the details along the length of the shoe. So we can see the tongue is in grey with a smoke grey Jumpman logo embroidered into it. So it does have a slight shimmering effect to it as the light plays against that embroidered detail of that Jumpman logo. And with the tongue, it is thickly padded and has a firm feel to the bowstring or padding. And of course, taking a look at the label details on the back of the tongue right there, and the lining details as well, and of course the overall details on the inside of the shoe. So I'm just going to remove the paper stuffing for better access and a better view into the shoe, so you can see the overall light colored or grey details inside of the shoe, and of course the material sticker or composition sticker on the insole. And we can see that smoke grey or near black Jumpman logo on that wolf grey sock liner. And that's for the ankle and heel collar. So it is thick with a light to medium level of firmness to the bowstring or padding. Now taking a look at the bottom or sole of the shoe, we can see the smoke grey details, which does appear slightly greenish in colour, just very faintly greenish, with of course that grey detail into it as well. And to give you some sense of the rubber sole, just dragging my finger and tapping my fingernail on it. Now let's do a flexibility bend and twist test with my hands to give you some sense of the shoe's firmness, stiffness, pliability or softness. And now just stretching and puffing the shoe back in shape. And now let's take a look at the right shoe of this Nike Air Jordan 1 Low SE Craft. So just setting the left shoe down in the background as we bring the box back into the frame. And taking the right shoe out from it. So closing the box back down and setting it to the left hand side of the tabletop. As we now take a look at the right shoe of this Nike Air Jordan 1 Low SE Craft in the wolf grey, smoke grey, lemon wash wolf grey colourway. And of course, let's do a 360 rotation for that quick and clear look for this side of the shoe before we take much closer in looks at its details. So once again, we see the suede and fine leather details. However, this time around, they are flipped against the left shoe. However, there was suede for the front on the left shoe. Now there is fine grain leather instead. So materials are flipped from the opposite side of the shoe. So now suede instead of fine grain leather, and fine grain leather instead of suede, and so on and so forth. Same with the Nike swoosh. This time around, we see that detail of the swoosh being made out of fine grain leather instead of suede. And now at the back of the shoe, we see the inlaid Air Jordan logo with the basketball and wings. However, this time around, it is in suede instead of leather. So you can see, once again, that inlaid design being set into the leather panel of the vamp or heel counter of this shoe. And once again, light stitching throughout the shoe, more or less matching the overall colorway of the panels. Now taking a look at the bottom of the shoe, we can see that wolf grey color, or smoke grey, I beg your pardon, so it does match to the left shoe. And of course, around the inside details, the tongue, that matches to the left shoe. And of course the back label details on the tongue and the overall details on the inside of the shoe, so slipping out the paper stuffing for a clearer look around the inside of the shoe. So once again, we see the same details for the inside of the shoe. And once again, the bottom with that smoke grey colour that appears to have a tint of green. And now let's take a look at the pair side by side so you can see the details that are flipped in terms of the materials used for the overlays and the vamp. You can see suede against the leather, and leather contrasting against the suede. So giving you a close-up look at those details there. So we're looking at the outer sides of the shoe, so you can see right there how it does appear with the suede and fine grain leather details or panels flipped. And with the back as well. Now let's take a look at the pair together side by side further out. And from the front. And slowly moving towards the back. Directly from the back. Top down. And the bottoms or soles of the shoes. So that's Nike Air Jordan 1 Low SE Craft. Thanks for watching and happy walking!